Hey everybody! So today we are going to learn how to upload a resume from our phones using the JobGet app. You can find our app on the App Store, and we are going to open it here and go to our profile in the bottom right-hand corner. When you scroll down, you can see the resume section, and we are going to click Download Resume. This is going to open a menu in just a moment that will show us the option to save our downloaded resume from JobGet to our phone. We're going to click on Save File, and then let's rename this to something that makes a little bit more sense. I'm going to name this Resume from today's date, and then we are going to click Save. Now that we have our resume, we're going to go back to the home menu and click on a job of your choosing. This one is a pet groomer for PetSmart, and I'm just reading through the job description now, trying to understand if this is a good fit for me. As I scroll down, I can see that there's an option to apply now, so I'm going to click that. And they're asking me to choose an appropriate location for me. So I clicked Cambridge. Now I'm going to begin the application. Some of these systems require that you sign in, and so I am going to sign in as a guest here and enter in all of my information so that I can set up an account with PetSmart. Setting up an account will allow you to go back to see the status of your application, so it can be really helpful to do this. So I am registering my account now, and I will see that there's a confirmation, and I'm just reading everything on the screen so that I know exactly what I'm getting into here. I clicked next, and I'm reading through all of the options and agreeing to all of their terms and conditions. And now I'm going to see that I have the option to apply with my resume and upload my resume right here. Now we're going to select the resume that we just recently saved by clicking on Choose File, which will pop up with a menu, and then we click Browse, and there's our resume right there. This will upload your resume, and then we'll be able to continue with the rest of our application. It's as simple as that. I wish you guys the best of luck with your job search, and for more helpful content, make sure to check out our blog at www.jobget.com/blog.